Here are our answers and solutions for order of operations of rational numbers, or we are going to use the PEMDAS. For our first problem, we have 7 squared plus the quantity of 2 plus 3 times 2 minus 8. Okay, here are the solutions, or here is the solution, and our final answer is positive 49. Always remember the PEMDAS. So first perform those that are inside the parentheses, followed by those that have exponents, and then the multiplication and division, and the last will be the addition and subtraction. Again, our final answer is positive 49, or letter B. And then for our problem number 2, 5 minus 9 times 3 times 5 minus negative 50 plus 3 times the quantity of 2 plus 3 times 4. Again, use PEMDAS. Perform those that are inside the parentheses first, followed by those that have exponents if the problem has no exponents, and then just perform the next step, which is multiplication and division from left to right, and the last operation will be the addition and subtraction from left to right. Our answer here is the solution, and our final answer is negative 38, or letter C. For number 3, the quantity of 25 minus 5 multiplied by 2 raised to 2, and the whole quantity is raised to positive 2, plus 80 minus 40 multiplied by 2 plus 10. Again, PEMDAS. Parentheses first, those that are inside the parentheses must first be performed, followed by those that have exponents, and then multiplication and division from left to right, and the last operation will be addition and subtraction from left to right. Our final answer is positive 35, and that is letter B. For number 4, our problem is 100 minus 4 multiplied by 30 divided by 5 plus 80 minus 20 times 2 plus 90 divided by 3. Again, PEMDAS, but there are no parentheses here nor exponents. So we will just perform first multiplication and division from left to right, and then followed by addition and subtraction from left to right. Our final answer is positive 146, and this is letter A. And for the last number, number 5, our given, we have 36 divided by 6 minus 3 plus 88 divided by 44 minus 10 times 2. And again, PEMDAS, but there are no parentheses and exponents here, so we will perform multiplication and division from left to right first, followed by addition and subtraction from left to right. Our final answer is negative 15, and this is letter D.